Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear caps for your headphones Logitech PRO X2. You have to start by remove the old ear caps. Here we go, and now the second one. Now select the new ear cap and attach it. But don't miss, you have the left one and the right one. So let's start with the left one. Here we go, and now the right one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!